Bagamat mga minor de edad pa lang at di pa pwedeng makaboto, nagpakitang gilas na agad sa larangan ng paggawa ng dokumentaryo ang dalawang batang Pilipino. Sila ang magkapatid na Acosta na magpapalabas ng kanilang obrang dokumentaryo sa isang international television channel. Balitang hatid ni Rida Reyes.
Magkakaiba man ang kanilang mga hilig at interes, nagkatugma naman ang magkapatid na sina Luke at Amber sa iisang bagay, ang paggawa ng sariling pelikula. Sa murang edad na 11 at 13, nahimok na silang sumali sa isang palabas sa international channel na Discovery Kids.
Well, we thought na something that will really get the children's attention would be a story. So, using the graffiti of our artist, he made a story through the painting of his graffiti, and we thought that that would probably get their attention.
Sina Amber at Luke lang ang bukod-tanging Pilipino na napili para ipalabas ang kanilang docu sa children's show na Kids vs. Film, kung saan bibigyang pagkakataon ang mga batang magsulat at idirek ang sarili nilang dokumentaryo base sa mapipiling tema. Wala mang formal na edukasyon o training sa filmmaking, hindi raw pahuhuli ang grade 5 student na si Luke sa mga teknik sa paggawa ng isang pelikula gamit lang ang kanyang iPad. Ang kanyang inspirasyon?
I do like Tim Burton, this director. They have creative designs and the story is great.
Sa husay ni Luke sa paggawa ng short films, minsan na rin siyang ginawaran ng Young Directors Award noong 8 taong gulang pa lang siya.
No, Luki would do more of the thinking. I would think of the concept, Luki would think of the content, and then he would tell me, and then I would tell the others, and then it just worked as a dynamic like that. It made our bond stronger, and I feel like I really grew closer to my brother.
Kaya naman kahit mga bata pa, alam na raw ng magkapatid kung anong gusto nilang maging paglaki.
Something like an artist, and then some game creator or director or filmmaker. I think presenting or hosting or filmmaking, it's probably, I'd like to pursue that.
Siyempre, wala nang mas pa-proud pa kaysa sa kanilang mga magulang.
I'm very proud. As parents, we just want them to be able to find what they want to do, to discover their gifts and talents at an early age.
Rida Reyes, GMA News.